Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing Logic of English Foundations A. We've been using this curriculum with our 5-year-old, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with Logic of English in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. Logic of English is designed for early learners, typically ages 4 to 7, or those just beginning to learn to read and write. It includes 4 core subjects: phonemic awareness, phonics, handwriting, and early reading comprehension. This curriculum is anywhere from 85 to 250 depending on where you purchase the teacher's manual, student workbook, and additional materials like flashcards and handwriting resources. It can be purchased online at Logic of English website or from select homeschool retailers. One of the strengths of this curriculum is its multisensory game-based approach. I love how it includes movement, hands-on activities, and playful games to keep my little one engaged. Another strength is how it breaks down complex concepts like phonemic awareness and spelling rules into simple, child-friendly explanations. This has been helpful for building confidence and giving my little one a strong foundation in reading. I also appreciate how organized and open and go the teacher's manual is. This has made homeschooling much smoother and less overwhelming, especially on busy days. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum, and one of those weaknesses is the amount of materials needed. I found that gathering all the extra items like flashcards, letter towels, and readers ahead of time did take some planning. Another weakness is that the lessons can sometimes feel a little bit long, especially for wiggly learners. This can be challenging because we sometimes had to break up a lesson across 2 days to keep it fun and avoid frustration. Lastly, some parents may find the curriculum a bit pricey, especially when purchasing all the recommended materials. This was a problem because budgeting for homeschool resources is already a challenge on its own. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a fantastic choice for families wanting to build a solid literacy foundation through play and structure. I think it's a great choice for hands-on learners, reluctant readers, and any family looking for a gentle, thorough introduction to reading and writing. However, if you're looking for something more independent or minimal prep, then this may not be the best choice for you. Thank you for watching my review of Logic of English Foundations A. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time!